Publius Ovidius Naso, Metamorphoseon, Liber Primus, episode 23. Quam satis apeto mixtam pluvialibus undis, finxit in F.M. moderantum cuncta deorum, pro naquecum spectent animalia caetera terram, os homini sublime dedit caelumque videre, Iuset et rectos ad sidere tollere vultus. Ovid continues describing the creation of humankind, and our subject here is satis, which is masculine singular and nominative. It means the one sown from or born from, so the one born from Iapetus, and that of course is the character Prometheus. So instead of simply saying Prometheus, he says the one born from Prometheus' father, Iapetus. So the one born from Iapetus, i.e. Prometheus, finxit, there's our verb, it's from fingo fingere, third conjugation. He fashioned this, quam, which is the earth, tellus is the antecedent. He fashioned this earth, which had been mixtam pluvialibus undis, which had been mingled with the waves of the rain. So undis here is the noun, it's feminine, plural, and ablative. It's a first declension noun, unda, is the lexical entry. Pluvialibus is the adjective modifying it, which means of or relating to the rain. So with rainy waves, we might say. So the one sprung from Iapetus, i.e. Prometheus, fashioned this, the earth, when it had been mixed with rainy waves. He fashioned it into the image, in F.M. F.M. is a fifth declension feminine noun, F.Ace, F.Ae, like so, and it's feminine. He fashioned it into the image, moderantum deorum, into the image of the gods, deorum, which is masculine, plural, and genitive. Now, deorum is being modified by moderantum, and moderantum is an adjective. It's a participle from the verb modero, like so. Modero, moderare, which means to govern or to control. So here it is in the genitive plural, modifying deorum. Fashioned it into the image of the gods, who control, who govern, or manage, cuncta. Cuncta is a neuter, plural, and accusative. The participle moderantum is active, and so it can take an object, and it does here, it takes cuncta. He continues, pronaque, cum, and, that's the que, although, cum here I'm taking as concessive, sometimes it's called adversative, cum plus the subjunctive, concessive, and although the other animals, animalia caetera, there's our subject, neuter, plural, and nominative, and again, animal probably better as living creature. And although the other living creatures, what do? They gaze upon, spectent, they gaze upon the earth, terram. So spectent is our verb, it's third plural, present subjunctive active. From the first conjugation verb specto, spectara, they gaze upon the earth, and how do they do so? They do so prona. Prona is neuter, plural, and nominative. It's modifying animalia. It's very often the case that when we have an adjective in the nominative in Latin and Greek, it's best to translate it into English as an adverb, because the languages are quite different in their idiom. So the Romans and the Greeks like to look at the state of mind of the person or the thing that was performing the action rather than the quality of the action itself. And thus they used an adjective where we would use an adverb. So although the other creatures, animalia caetera, gaze upon the earth face downward, he gave, dedit, this would be satis iapeto, he gave to the human being, homini, an os sublime. He gave to the human being an upright face. So os sublime is neuter, singular, and accusative, whereas homini is masculine, singular, and dative. The one, os, direct object, the other, homini, indirect object. He gave the human being an upright face, and what else did he do? He usit. He ordered him. So both dedit and usit are third singular, perfect indicative actives. He ordered him to do what? To gaze, videre, upon the sky. Videre caelum. That was the command, gaze upon the sky. And to do something else, and, to raise, tollere, rectos vultus, to raise upright countenances or expressions, ad sidera, to the stars. So vultus, this is masculine, plural, and accusative. It is a fourth declension noun, vultus, vultus. and it's modified by erectos, which is a participle from erigo erigere.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the lesson, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.